Hello students, welcome to a new video of class 10 mathematics triangle part 12. In previous video we have to explain all the topics BBT, Pythagoras theorem, area theorem and some small question. So today we take only the hot questions or important questions and the board questions. So let's see the first question. Before seeing, first we read the question. So, for this question, we want to prove that CP equal to AB. Where is C? C is a part of big triangle. So, we take a big triangle ABC. And P is in triangle this and this also. So, you can take any one small triangle. Suppose we take ACD. Then we prove that triangle similar, because without proving similar we can't use the corresponding side. So in triangle ABC and triangle ACD, angle A is common angle, and angle ABC is equal to angle ADC, each 90. So triangle ABC similar triangle ACD by angle similarity. In very fast steps we have to prove them triangle similar, because if you see solve more questions, so similarity is very easy for you for proving. Then write the corresponding part what we have to use. From this triangle, if we take AC, 90 opposite AC, 90 opposite, sorry. So ACB is equal to angle ADC. So 90 opposite AB. So 90 opposite AC. One more side we want DC. This is opposite of this 1, and 1 is equal to in this 1, because 1 is common. So we take BC from first, 1 opposite. So here the CD from second. Then put the value. AB is AC is, BC is, and the CD is P. Cross multiply. CP is equal to AB. First part proved. Let's see the second part. Very easy. Take the first part. We want P in the denominator form. So C upon AB and 1 upon P means P sent to other side and AB sent to other side. Then we want the P square. So squaring both sides. C square, A square, B square, 1 upon P square. Then we have no use of C. So in triangle ABC, C square is equal to B square plus A square by Pythagoras theorem. In this triangle, hypotenuse square is called perpendicular square plus base square. So we can replace C square by So separate them. A square b square, a square b square, b square cancel, a square cancel. 1 upon a square, 1 upon b square, 1 upon p square. Okay, I hope you understand the concept used here and here. Pause window down. One more thing, for suppose for the same question, the question want prove that triangle ACD and triangle BCD are similar. Means the question want these two triangles are similar, and write the ratio of corresponding side. Means for the same question you want to prove them ACD and BCD directly. So how we prove them? Let's see. So the first question, in triangle ABC, right angle at C. CD perpendicular on AB. BC is equal to A. AB is equal to C. CD equal to P. Then prove that AC is equal to B. Then prove that there is a given part in triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90. Prove that first CP is equal to AB. Second, 1 upon P square is equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. This question is come in board examination 2 times. So, CP and AB, where is CP? CP is the common line between these two triangles. P. C is this, A is this, B is this. Means we take only these two triangles. So we get all B P's AC. So same 1, 2, 3, 4. Proof. Angle 1 plus 2, 90. Sum of interior angle of triangle. Angle 2 plus angle 3, 90. Because angle C 90, this whole 90, if this 90, the remaining two angle sum is also 90. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3, 2 cancel, angle 1 equal to angle 3, 1 and 3 equal. Similarly angle 2 is equal to angle 4. But we have to only one use, so we can solve it. This is very common topic we have used in previous 1-2 questions also. Lengths taken triangle ACD and triangle CBD. So in between these two triangles, angle 1 equal to angle 3. Proved above, हम प्रूफ कर चुके हैं. एंगल ABC इक्वल टू एंगल CDB, each 90. Let's see, we take this triangle and this triangle. So 1 equal to 3 and 90 90, so triangle similar. Because when we draw a separate figure for the question, so we have to identify the corresponding side very easy. If from first triangle we take AC, opposite of 90, so opposite of 90 is BC. Again, 1 opposite DC and 1 equal to 3, 3 opposite DB. One equal to 3 and if we take AD, so AD upon CD. So this is the corresponding part. But you have to prove these two triangles. So these corresponding sides equal. But if you see it only for this, you have missed this AB. So for this AB, we change the triangle and take so this is another method. See this question also. These types have 2-3 questions and the logic for solving the question is same. Only something are different the given parts. The question is, D is the point on side BC of equilateral triangle. ABC, AB equal to BC is equal to AC in triangle ABC. What is given that it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, such that DC is equal to 1/4 of BC. Where DC is a point which is 1/4 of BC. Suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4 part है. DC is 1/4 of BC. This part is given. And the question want to prove that AD square is equal to 13 CD square. Here you have to logic them, ki sir, why we construct them? Because you know this squares form means we have to want to use Pythagoras theorem for proving this question. And in Pythagoras theorem, we want a right angle. Here is not right angle. So first we construct them. AP perpendicular on BC. You know, P is the midpoint of BC, means BP equal to PC, because perpendicular bisect the base of an equilateral triangle. and DC is 1/4 of BC. So you can write DC is equal to 1/4 of BC. That means 1/4 of half BC. Sorry, twice BC. BC double is BC. 2 cancel. So DC is the half of PC. D is also the midpoint of PC. D is also the midpoint of PC and P is midpoint of BC. Half the half. So let's try to solve them. Proof. In triangle, for AD square, which triangles have to contain AD as a hypotenuse? So in triangle ADP, only we take the right triangle. This triangle is right triangle, so we take as a right triangle, and using Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AP square plus PD square, equation first by Pythagoras theorem. Then we want CD. Where is CD? CD is not part of any right triangle, so we have to no use. We have to no use of CD. Then we try to solve it. So then we have no use of AP, to replace them AP from triangle ACP. AC square is equal to AP square plus PC square by DPT, Pythagoras theorem. So from here AP square is equal to AC square minus PC square. Put in first. So AD square is equal to AC square minus PC square plus PD square. This put here. Then replace according to the question all the terms. AC, we want CD. AC is equal to BC because equilateral triangle, and BC is the 4 times of DC, because if we cross multiply, so we get DC is equal to 4 BC equal to 4 DC, because we only want AD and CD, or you take CD or DC but same. So AD okay, AC replaced with CD, good. PC is the twice of CD. We already proved that here. PC is the twice of CD. PC okay, then PD. PD is equal to CD because if this half, so D is the midpoint, so PD equal to DC. So these three all in term of CD. Replace all. AD square in place of AC 4 CD, PC 2 CD, PD only CD. So PD 16 CD square, 4 CD square plus CD square. 16 minus 4, 12 plus 1, 13 CD square. That's a question. That's a good question using of Pythagoras theorem. Pause, read, note down.